Hello learners, in this video we are going to see how to do keyword research for a search campaign. So in order to do keyword research for a search campaign, you need to do it in the keyword planner. So do you know how to open the keyword planner? In order to open the keyword planner, first you must log into your Google Ad account and then go to tools and now click on planning and then click on keyword planner, and then you can click on discover new keywords, and here you can see, here it was saying enter products or services closely related to your business. That means here you need to give your brainstorm ideas or brainstorm keywords related to your topic. So my topic, I have decided to do the keyword research is a digital marketing course. So I did my brainstorm things and then I have selected these four keywords. So here are the keywords: digital marketing course, learn digital marketing online, online digital marketing classes, and digital marketing training. So here I entered whatever the brainstorm keywords are base keywords. I have decided I entered these keywords here, and then I chose the state as Kerala. So that means I'm doing the keyword research only for the Kerala state for the digital marketing course. So I'm going to click get results. So you can see there are 2000 change keywords ideas are available. That means there are 2465 keywords ideas are available. So I'm going to download them by clicking here a download symbol, and I'm going to choose this Google Sheet. So here you can see I have downloaded this Google Sheet, and then you can see there are 2000 change keywords are there in the downloaded sheet. So from all of these 2000 keywords, at least you need to decide 25 to 50 keywords that will helpful to your search campaign. And do you know how to decide these keywords, whichever whatever are the relevant to you, and what factors are responsible while considering the keywords? So in order to take the relevant keywords, first these are the main two factors are there to consider them. So the first thing is the average monthly searches. That means how much search volume the keyword has is one of the factor to consider the correct keyword. And the second main factor is, we already know there are four types of keyword based upon the intent. By intent, keywords are four types like informational, transactional, commercial, and navigational. So, depending upon the objective of our search campaign, we need to choose the keywords. So for my search campaign, I decided my search campaign objective as a lead. So I'm going to take whatever are the purchase intent. I'm going to take those keywords, whichever has a more average search volume and purchase intent are there, and we need to choose whatever is the top of page bid. I mean, how much is the top of bid for per click, and how much is the lowest range, and how much is the highest range. These are the values. So to decide the most relevant keywords for your search campaign, so while considering the average monthly searches or search volume, you can apply a filter here by clicking the filter symbol here. You need to select this row, like wherever is the heading is there, here you can select this row and you can apply a filter, and you can go here and can apply a filter, and here you can select whatever is the value you wanted to see the keywords. So I would like to see how many keywords are available with the 50,000 volume search volume. So I'm searching here. So you can see these are the keywords available with the 50,000 search volume. So like this manner, you can apply filter to 5,500 and all remaining. So here I have applied filter to the downloaded keyword sheet, to the average monthly search or for the search volume, and I have selected keywords that comes under purchase intent. I have made a different sheet in this format, and here I have written my top 20 keywords along with their search volume, maximum bid, minimum bid, average volume, and the keywords must be fall under a purchase intent. So this is the way we need to do the keyword research. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.